Anastasia. If you're new here, please hit that subscribe and bell button so you get notifications every single time that I post. If you're an ongoing subscriber, you're amazing, you rock. Please stick around and keep sharing a girl's video. If you're watching this video from Instagram, please head over to my bio and click that link so you go to my YouTube and subscribe for more amazing content on fashion and lifestyle. I just woke up, explains the look. I was gonna clean my bedroom because I needed to like fix my closet. I needed to do a video on this because someone once asked me how can she really create an outside the closet. Does that make sense? I have a video on this on YouTube. If you check it out, you're gonna see the first part of it of how I'm doing, but I've moved to a new place, so I thought, hey, why not do the closet space thing again. Right now I have my whole room is like super messy. As you can see, I have things all over the place. So what I'm gonna do today is one, show you how I create my closet, outside the closet space. I'm gonna show you exactly what I prioritize on my rack because my rack is my baby, okay? When I put things on my rack, I mean this stuff are important to me. You steal it, you're dead. Guys, let's get to it. Stalker alert. Here, this is my clothing rack. I bought this from Ikea. As you can see, it has tires so that I can move it whenever I want to. And here I have put my mirror, which is also from Ikea. As you can see at the bottom, I have shoe boxes. So here's another thing I want to tell you. If you buy shoes all the time, you don't have to throw away all of your boxes because you probably need them again. These are some of the shoe boxes that I've got, and to be honest, I picked them up from the street because they looked so nice because, you know, they're Valentino. So what I did was that I made, these are like really strong if you see, so I made this kind of like a step place where I put my mirror, and inside I have some stuff like I've got some hair products that I'm not using right now, and all the different stuff that I probably don't need right now. After I put my box in my mirror is, first of all, I put shoes, because shoes and bags, they're gonna be able to tell me how much space I've got left. I totally hope that you can see me. I always like feeling the little spaces first, so like if you can see on this side there's like space outside the rack, so I'm gonna start with that. And usually what I do is that I put this inside the bag, so you know there's like, it's not so messy. It's like just place it here, get it? So actually I think maybe there could be room for one more bag, and I'm gonna put something skinny as well, put it here. Underneath there's extra space, so you can also use it, and I think I'm gonna start with shoes. I like to put a bag as well, like at the end of this, like next to the mirror. Usually I do the down part first because I usually like taking mirror selfies, so I like to stand here and see exactly how much I can see myself properly. And I think it's a yes. From wherever I stand I can do a mirror selfie. There are different things you can put. The stuff that I wear often, stuff that I love, and stuff that are easy to lose in the closet, like a biker short. The thing you don't want to do is to put something you rarely wear. Like you put a winter jacket and it's summer, you're never gonna wear it. I'm gonna put this along with this jean jacket. So she bought this for me and I am completely in love with this jacket. Then you have to decide on how you hang your clothes. Usually I like hanging my clothes like this. One thing you don't want is to have one hanger like this and another hanger like this. It is not flattering at all. Like if I want to pick out something, I have to like, because mind you, this is all gonna be full. If it's like this, it's a lot easier to just pull it out. Where are the clothes facing? I prefer my clothes facing this way to that way, because I'm just gonna look like this because the light is coming from this way. So I'm gonna change this and put it like this. Something else I like to hang on my rack are new stuff. So I'm gonna count them down for you. First thing that is best to hang are the little stuff that are easy to lose. Second thing that you should hang is something that you wear often. The third thing that you want to hang out are your favorite items. You might not even wear it that much, but you know, it's like an art piece in the rack. Fourth thing that you want to put out are new stuff, because when you buy new stuff, you want to wear them almost immediately. Another thing you can do is to actually style prior. So usually I like wearing these pants with like a white shirt. So here is my white shirt. There. So now if I'm looking for something quick to wear, all I gotta do is just come here and pluck this out. Another thing I would suggest is to properly know how to use your hanger. See, there are these parts of the hangers that you can still use, and most of the time for tops like these, people tend to just hang it like these, and it's cool if your hanger is like mine and it's not gonna slip, but I don't suggest because it's probably gonna slip at one point. You should hang it here and you will have extra space. See, I've got these identical tops and they're like gonna use so much space if I put it in different hangers. So instead I'm just gonna put them here. Look how small they are, like seriously. I don't know if you guys have noticed, but I have a little piece of all the closet essentials everybody should have. A jacket, denim, plaid pants, black shirt, white t-shirt, a little bit of everything. And then I have this hook thing that I use to like hang extra stuff. So what I do is I just put it there, and I'm gonna hang some stuff here as well. Well guys, that was it. Thank you for joining me while I'm making this spot, for keeping me company, and I really hope that you find it useful. I hope you're gonna let me know what you think about it, and if you're gonna try it. Oh, sorry, I'm using my arm. Ugh. And I hope you like it. Okay guys, I'll see you in my next video. Please check out my YouTube channel if you're watching this from Instagram, and if you're on YouTube, please check this out on Instagram. I'm Stacy, signing up. Bye.